Cartesian machine operation demonstration. This Cartesian machine has two operating modes, manual and automatic. First, connect the power cable to the power source, then switch on the MCB to energize the system. To operate in manual mode, turn the selector switch to the manual position, then press the corresponding push button to move the DC motors along the X-axis and Z-axis. To operate in automatic mode, tune the selector switch to the auto position, then activate on the limit switch on each axis to initiate the machine automatic movement sequence.